Now why the car sound like that?
Because it's an old car.
Like your sister tell.
I thought the tree fell down. I didn't see this part. This is their roof.
Oh,
This is their roof.
this is
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at the door. I hope like everybody got out.
because like the little porch.
Yeah.
Porch side. You can imagine this is something that happened in the winter.
Yeah, like you're sleeping and next thing you know a tree fell on your house.
Anthony, that's not funny.
I'm not just joking about it.
You all jump on the car, too.
Well, it didn't really hit the car. It only hit the house.
No, it's one big piece of stick on the front of the car, so. You see it?
Oh, now I see it. Wow.
And that one really get messed up.
Stick on the car. Oh. Like, just mind your own business when a tree fell. At least that side didn't get hit.
Last time in Irene, they did get a lot of damage.
Mm.